Hello, my name is Alma Avalos, and this is my 1.3 assignment for EDOL 707 Theory and Development. In the book from Mr. Mark Crowley, Lead from the Heart, he indicates that American leaders have a huge problem. He indicates that half of all the workforce really hate their job. He provides information that job satisfaction and employee engagement have really declined over the 20 plus years. Previously, having a job and having a paycheck was all that employees really needed. Now, pay is not the only reason why employees stay at an organization. Their needs have changed, but employer practices have really not changed much. And this is why organizations may not be up to date as to what the real employee needs are. In the book, Lead from the Heart, Mr. Crowley presents information that the solution for leaders really lies on the human heart. He indicates that employees in this century need to feel that they're valued, respected, cared for, and really have opportunities to develop in their organizations. Their roles and responsibilities really need to matter to them. With his years of experience, Mr. Crowley provides information that leaders who intentionally pay attention to engage the heart of the employees will reach or supersede their overall performance, therefore reaching the company goals and objectives. There are 4 practices that lead from the heart, which Mr. Crowley indicates leaders really need to incorporate to ensure employee engagement and satisfaction at work. One of being, hire people with heart, which means building a high engaged team, heart-to-heart, connect on a personal level, empower the heart, maximize employee potential, and then inspire the heart, value and honor achievement. I currently work for an organization, an e-commerce print manufacturer with locations in California, Connecticut, New Jersey, Ohio, Texas, and the Philippines with over 1,300 employees. Leading from the heart would not be something that my current organization would very easily adopt. The reason for that is time. They never seem to have time to really spend time with the employees and get to know them. The constant push to getting things out the door avoids really connecting with individuals on a personal level. They also don't see the direct correlation. Some of our leaders don't see the correlation of employee engagement to company results. In thinking about the TCP, the Transformational Change Project, fostering a culture of continuous learning, which embraces shared knowledge and an open mindset that drives towards the mission and goals of the company, and also thinking of leading from the heart, I would need to provide data to help our company and organization see the opportunities of employee engagement, job satisfaction to the company's overall results. One piece of information would be employee turnover and the reasons behind that. In some parts of our organization, turnover is over 50%. Another piece of information would be, creating a survey, a report that measures employee satisfaction and engagement, and really tracking how that impacts the organization. Another piece of information would also be, providing the company with information of those companies that have greater financial performance, who have really focused on job satisfaction and employee engagement. For example, SAS, Four Seasons, and others. These companies know their employees. They know that the employees are the heart of the company. They have focused on employee development, celebrating individual successes. They reinforce collaboration and also really communicate frequently. To help our company, our organization continuously improve and foster a culture of continuous learning, we would need to take actions in developing our employees, focus on employee engagement, and really sustain change in the organization, which include hiring people with heart, meaning building a highly engaged team. A number of times I observe managers hire people just because they need to fill the position. They don't take into consideration whether that person's heart is really in the position to give it its all. Also, connecting on a personal level, fostering a learning environment, we need to know each individual personally. So we will be working with individuals to make sure they're in the right position, how to improve their skills and how to reach their career objectives in meeting company goals. It's going to be essential for us to really, not only for our TCP, but to know the individuals on a personal level to help the organization succeed. Then maximizing employee potential, collaborating with them. Will be essential on the TCP, and then also honoring their achievements. if we adapt those practices in our TCP and in the organization, I'm sure that our organization will continue to succeed for years to come. Thank you. Have a good day.